Hello, this is Vlad here, and welcome to Lesson 3. In this lesson, we'll browse to how to make new files and how to make new files from templates. I will select New, or you can press Ctrl A. And here we go. The first option you see is pretty obvious, making a new name. We can type something here, let's say Lesson 3. We can choose a profile, and those are from print, web, devices, video film, basic RGB, or you can choose a custom one. Let's select print for now, and the number of those you can use is up to 100. You can select how they are arranged, how many columns you want, or how many rows. If you choose the latter, obviously the other options will be selected. Now you can also see that you can choose a spacing between them. You can choose a size. And here you have a couple of presets of various sizes, A4, A3, letter, and so on. You can choose the unit of measurement, the orientation from landscape or portrait, and bleed. Bleed is an area that is extra, and usually it's used for cutting errors in printing. If you only deal with digital, you'll never use it. Now, the next thing I want to show you is that those options and the unit of measurement used depends on the profile you used. Now it's custom because we modified, but let's say we choose devices. Now everything is in pixels. Same for web, video and film, or basic RGB. But this time it's in points. Okay, let's go back to devices and continue. Now this panel called Advanced is expanded for me, but most likely for you is collapsed. But you can click the arrow to expand it. Here you can choose the color mode, say 1AK or RGB. Those color modes are for printing in case of CMYK or RGB in case of digital or raster effects. This usually figures out the quality of the effect you use later. It's usually best to go with the highest option since most screens those days have high density pixels. The last option is how to use a preview mode. You can either choose between pixels or overprint, and I'll show you what those do. And align new object to pixel grid, which basically doesn't allow values such as this, because you only have a full integer pixels. So no 1.5 or 1.6, just 1, 2, 3, so on. The last option is using templates, which you can also choose from the file menu. You got a couple of options here. Come with Illustrator by default. I usually wouldn't use them because they are like very old and very ugly. Yeah, unfortunately. But the next thing we can do is click OK and see our result. That's it. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.